Another rainy day in here in Lightning Ridge. Nobody can go mining, so that means it might be a good day for miners to go selling. So I've put the sign up. It's always a good idea to put the sign up occasionally and see what's around, so today's the day. Well, the most intriguing deal of the day is this one huge black knobby with some interesting colour poking out here and there. So I'm itching to get into the cutting room and take the top off and have a look to see what treasures are hidden inside. So let's go. Yeah, hi everybody. Well, I've done what I normally wouldn't do. I had a couple of miner friends come with a knobby and they needed some fuel money. Now this piece is a total gamble. I gambled $300 on it because I saw it had 3 potential bars. It looked like they might be going through, but in this state you really cannot tell, and it is a total gamble. But just the fact that it had 3, it's so huge, and it's got 3 bars and even a speck of red, I thought, maybe it's worth the gamble. We'll see anyway. I mean, it could be a 10 grand stone inside, or it could just evaporate completely. So anyway, let's turn this machine on and have a go. First, I'm just going to rub around, try and expose these bars, and get a better look at what's going on inside. The trick to rubbing is always rub everything off that you know has to come off, until you can get a clearer picture to make a better decision. Righto. Not looking too promising at the moment. Those bars look a bit broken and it's quite a bit of sand, but it's still early days. Keep rubbing and we'll see. There might be something on that section there. Okay, there's another water bar there. I think it's too weak to have any sort of value. And what I thought was 3 bars is actually one big broken bar. There is a little bit of a broken bar down there too. So give that a rub and see if it. Yeah, a bit broken. Righto. Goes around like that. So I think we can just take that top off and see if it cleans up. Oh, you never know. I'm not feeling the 10 grand, but there's still a chance we could get a bit of a win out of this. If that black potch in the centre cleans up, we'll have a winner. Deep sand in there though. Interesting. At this stage we still have the option of a specimen, a carving, or chasing a cleaner stone. My option is always to go for the cleaner stone first and have a bit of a backup later. I mean, I may even just, rub it a bit more until you can see what you got, and then give you guys a chance at it if you want. We'll see. See how it goes. Anyway, that's really nice colour. I'm happy with that colour. Just can we get a clean stone out of it? Will it open up? Come on, baby. Nice colour anyway. Yeah, have a look at that. You got that red there. I've got a feeling we'll have to put the saw through about there. See if we can salvage something out of that section as well. I can use the edge of the wheel just to chase it down to make sure that if that bottom bar is strong, maybe it's worth just chasing it all the way across. It's a bit hard to tell at this stage. So I usually use the saw as a, well, once you're pretty sure you know what you got, then it's time to use the saw. And yeah, it's a bit tricky. Looks like that colour could be running a bit deeper. When I'm doing this, I've got to be careful that I don't gouge too deep with the edge of the wheel down on that second bar. I've got to retain every little carat of that gem colour that I can. But at the same time, there's certain inclusions that are just not going to cut it in the stone. So we'll keep removing what we know has to come off. And that keeps our options open. Okay. It's certainly looking interesting. Well, we definitely didn't lose our $300, put it that way. So that makes me happy already. Bit of deep sand there, so I'm just going to rub it a bit more. Bit of sand lurking. Righto. I've taken it as far as I want to take it with these wheels like this, so what I'm tempted to do is put it aside and then have another look at it. My gut feeling is that stone's going to need to be carved to get the most effect out of it. So yeah, it still needs more work. I can't just, rub a regular oval cabochon from these wheels because you risk losing too much of that gem colour. So for now, I'm going to leave it like this. Well, that was one gamble that definitely paid off. Yeah, I'm very happy with that purchase, and I reckon if I carve it, I'll probably get about a $1,900 stone out of it. But I've decided that we're going to list it on the website and let somebody else have the pleasure of carving it, and we'll list it for $950 Australian dollars. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.